Welcome to our channel. Sorry to keep you waiting, but I had to put together this special Tesla fail compilation. It's all here. The hits, the misses, and the jaw-dropping moments. Get ready for a wild ride. And don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe. It always means a lot to us. It's great to buy a Tesla Model X as a nod to your childhood movie Back to the Future and its legendary DeLorean time machine. But the catch is, we're not used to this kind of door, and here's what happens. Cost of the fees? No idea. Ford could run an entire ad featuring their trucks hauling broken-down Cybertrucks. Not a single word would be needed. People would lose their minds and rush out to buy a Ford on the spot. Hell, that damn Cybertruck even managed to ruin the fun.
This one was expected.
Tesla and life in Russia. It's not going well. We're sliding. Can autopilot handle this? Let's go over it again another time. Properly stuck. Kids in the back, nowhere to go. Classic family holiday disaster. I don't know if the kings of these roads like the Range Rover or the Toyota Land Cruiser see this, but they'd probably say, "What is this outsider doing in our territory?" Wait, is that a Ford towing it? If it is, that's absolutely gold. Off you go, back to the garage for a mid-strength lemonade and a top-up. Clearly, Teslas don't like bad weather. After the snow, the rain is also giving this car a hard time. Maybe Mother Nature just isn't a fan of electric cars. Back to where we started. Let's check in on how this one's going since the beginning of the video. Still completely stuck. Even if it manages to reverse, I don't see it breaking free anytime soon. And that's a real problem. Americans love freedom. If the Cybertruck ends up trapping them instead of liberating them, they're gonna lose their minds. A small sailboat cuts off the path of this big ship, and disaster strikes. Tesla, the new electric car that offers self-driving capabilities. There's nothing like it to enjoy the road and deeply explore the nature of trees from the inside. I guess the Explore the Inside of Trees feature ended up being free after all. Thanks, Tesla. Hello to all the brilliant minds and distinguished heads in charge. It's time once again to check in on how the Cybertruck is faring out in the real world. So far this year, still stuck. Not exactly inspiring confidence. While old sedans glide through the snow, the Cybertruck remains spinning in place. This one's cooked. No way it's getting through, despite all the tough, apocalypse-ready vibes. Better suited for taking grandma to the shops. Grab some milk, maybe a loaf of bread, and don't go more than a kilometer. No adventures needed. I didn't know you could use an electric screwdriver to replace a boat's propeller. That can really come in handy. Take notes. I can just imagine fighting with the system over who gets to straighten the car. The main problem with the Cybertruck seems pretty clear. It can't seem to do truck stuff. For something marketed as a truck, it sure has a knack for getting stuck at every turn. This one's had a total meltdown. Barely made it off the lot before it crumbled under the pressure of actually hitting the road with the rest of the traffic. This man just had a special visit. Apparently, the Tesla driver was taking a nap while leaving the autopilot on. 5 stars for Tesla. These blokes are stuck on their sad little sand dune. Had to bail out and watch a Rivian do all the heavy lifting to rescue their mates.
Get over here!
Crikey, look at these Cybertrucks relying on the big truck just to move. It's handing them a one-way pass to Stuckville. When it's near other trucks, it seems to lose confidence. Not sure if the Cybertruck has imposter syndrome, but it looks like it needs the big trucks to show it how to truck. Hard to blame it. Poor thing's just trying. The Cybertruck isn't really an SUV. It's just a car with a bulky look. I'm a big supporter of electric cars, not some petrol head. Just don't get why Musk's so fixated on this truck. First to bring a Cybertruck to Bratislava, tried Wade mode right away and instantly regretted it. Apparently, if you own a Tesla, you can park anywhere and however you want. In this case, the sidewalk must have jumped at him. They get really aggressive this time of year. Excuse us, we're just passing through. Really aggressive this time of year. Let's look at it from a different angle. Poor animal. Apparently, it's not an isolated case either. Parking a Tesla using the onboard system should be easy, but some people think buying a Tesla replaces driving skills. Like this driver right here.
Oh, it has that self-park.
How do you even back into another car with all that tech on board? Not sure I could ever switch to Tesla. What about you? Had any issues?
Are you serious?
Leave a comment and tell us about your first mishap with a Tesla. Tell us your story. You almost got thrown overboard. And he's happy about it. A cargo ship destroyed a traffic bridge. It's truly incredible to witness such incidents firsthand. Trying to show off to everyone around ends up causing messes. We'll deal with this later. Tesla can sometimes surprise us and save the day. Tesla's system is messing around. The camera is acting up and doing whatever it wants. A collision with a wild boar is also avoided. The damage could have been serious. You can choose to close the rear doors and the system forgets one, and the damage follows quickly.
Boom. Jeez. Licked it clean off.
Here's a reckless guy with his Tesla trying to race. And of course, he ends up hitting someone. In some cases, it has been reported that the collision detection system works well, as we can see here. It's not my fault. Why didn't the braking system stop me? We're pleasantly surprised by Tesla's safety system. Here, a nice brake and quick swerve to avoid the accident.
I almost got into an accident right there.
Holy cow, you're right.
We know Tesla doesn't like gas stations, but crashing into one? That's a bit much. Here we are, a great compilation of Tesla fails. How did you find these clips? Have you experienced something like this with your car? Share your story with us, leave a comment, and subscribe. We still have a lot more to share. See you soon, friends.